What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, Tesla is on the move. I want to share with you guys where it's headed next. Also, we'll be bringing out the charts on the day. I want to get back to the teaching to kick off the new year, as well as, guys, show you all some things I want you to keep an eye on, especially as relate to some of our income dividend plays. All right, with that being said, we got a jam-packed video. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check it out, man. I got pulled up for you right here. You guys know this is one of my top dividend plays. This is Verizon, ticker symbol VZ, currently sitting at $41.13. This one, guys, was up another 2.5% on the day. Okay, the reason why I'm illustrating this for you is because at the beginning of each year, if you can begin to identify sectors that may perform well, you can be in something on the front end and then ride the wave throughout the year. Okay, for example, last year around this time, many might have missed it, but energy was on the move. Okay, and if you caught it, you were able to take part in these little sneaky 2% days that had en route to being up 50, 60, 70, 80% on the year. Okay, check this out. This is my dividend play, and so I use this for income, for passive income. Okay, however, because it's my dividend play, I'm seeing it perform and outperform many stocks in the stock market as a whole. Look at this, guys. On the week, it is up nearly 6%. Okay, and on the month, it is up nearly 10%. All right, now again, I'm not in my dividend plays for stock appreciation. Okay, if it happens, cool. I just want a quality company that consistently pays a quality dividend. All right, other people may have different reasons why they're invested in the things they're invested in. For me, I'm retired. I just like to have the money coming in. If I ever need it, it's there. If not, I just keep letting it reinvest and buying more shares. That's my plan. Okay, but I can't help but notice that it's been on a tear. Okay, so with that being said, guys, keep your eye out on the communication sector. Okay, you might like T-Mobile, you might like AT&T, you might like Verizon if you rock with me. Okay, all is fair. Okay, you just do what's best for you. I just wanted to show you guys this one. Next, guys, we have Tesla. Okay, today it made a 5% move. All right, now listen, I tried to tell you guys in yesterday's video, Tesla is being oversold. And when you learn the manipulation of Wall Street and on the stock market, they are making certain moves only to counter that move in the coming days. All right, that's why I was telling you guys Tesla will rally soon. All right, but what I want to talk to you guys today about, where is it going to rally to next? Right now, it is up 5.12% on the day, or $5.50. Okay, now listen, Tesla is still not out of the woods, but I just want you guys to be mindful of the opportunities. Like if you play this from 104 yesterday to this level, or if you play this even from 108 to this level, okay, that is a lot of money to be made on the trading side. All right, but what I want to show you next, where will Tesla go to next? All right, you always want to be mindful of the fact that you have moves in both directions. Okay, so my next target for Tesla, even though on the week it is still down 6%, if Tesla continues this, you guys got to know this, any strong move down will eventually make a strong move back to that same level. Okay, all the market do is go in cycles. You have to be patient enough for it to run its course. So it fell. This big drop was from 123. Okay, Tesla will, again, if it goes back to the upside and keeps this positive momentum, write this down and mark my words on these things, these short-term bounces. Okay, we do day to day. We play it one play at a time, one day at a time. Okay, so don't think this is for the whole year. I'm just talking about what it will do near term. To the upside, look for Tesla to go test 119 to 120. That's what I want you to look for. Don't be no more greedy than that. So if you go out, for example, and we were to buy a call, okay, and you wanted to do something longer than a scalp or a quick snipe, okay, you would look at that 119, 120 level as a price target for this to hit, and then you sell out of it completely. So you would enter around here or on any pullback, and you would ride this if we are to the upside, for example, to that 119, 120 range short term. Get in and get out, call it a day. To the downside, guys, I gotta let you know, 110 will be your first level of support. You got 108, 104, and then guess what, guys? If we come back to 104 again, it's going to get pulled to 100 and it will operate and act like a magnet. All right, so be mindful of that. 100 is the next lowest target to the downside if it breaks through support at 110, 108, then 104. Okay, be mindful of that, because if you take heed to this knowledge, if you take heed to this information, you can use it to your advantage and make money off of it versus feeling down about it. Okay, just keep that in your back pocket and make sure you take that to the bank. Okay guys, now it's time for us to bring out the charts. Okay, in today's lesson I'm going to be breaking down the 1 minute chart on Apple for you guys, and I want to just, again, to kick off the new year, point out where the opportunities lie for us on the cost side when you have an up day in the market. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay guys, we back to it, man, and I want to come out the gate showing you all some opportunities already that's emerging in 2023. Okay, as you see, if you follow my screen, you had this huge down move. Okay, boom. Any downward move, remember guys, okay, oftentimes will come back and be retested. It came down here, came up here, bounced back here, but what did this make? This made what we call our double bottom. Okay, and then that was what really got us this big move. All right, but check this out. Let me move this out the way, okay, because I want you guys to see this clearly. Okay, you had the double bottom here, boom, boom, you got this big explosion. Okay, but then it went sideways, creating what we call a bull flag. All right, but look at this area right here. That candle, that red candle, it bounced off from, and then you got this next move. And guess what this created? Another bull flag. And then you got this move creating another bull flag until it hit resistance. Okay, and so when it hit resistance, you got to respect that the move is done, because look, when it hit this level, look at what it proceeded to do. Boom. Now you see nothing but bear flags all the way down. Okay, until it hit a bottom and then begin to recover and then close today, making a nice little rally. Nothing more than more and more bull flags to finish out the day. But look at where it ended the day. Okay, we're gonna call this end of day. All right, it ended the day testing this same resistance line, but now the line is down much further. So that's an indicator for you guys to kind of be mindful of. And this is Apple, guys, on a 1 minute chart. All right, master the 2 minute, the 5 minute, the 15, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week. Okay, before you go to this level. But this is an indicator that we either need to gap up above 126.42. Okay, we either need to gap up above this level right here to break that level. Why? Because if we don't, we're coming right back down to 125. Okay, and so that is an indicator for you guys to kind of know what to look out for in this particular lesson. Okay, but listen guys, there's always money to be made, but more importantly, it's important to understand the money is in the charts for this particular year. Okay, I'm going to have a hyper focus on investing as well as trading, because both routes, if done properly, if done correctly, can get you to your investment goal, whether that's 100K, whether that's 75K, 50K, 25K, so on and so forth. But I need you guys to master this. Matter of fact, make sure you like and subscribe, join the Discord, because we'll be in there every single day, myself and the pro investors, making sure you guys are getting the guidance you need to make sure you learn how to master this game. Okay, it's a beautiful game when done right, despite all that goes on. All right, but if you take it serious, if you put in the time, you're not trying to get rich quick, you're not trying to shortcut the game, but you're putting in real time to learn this and master this, these particular patterns I just showed you will begin to be something you see more vividly on your own. And that's called teaching you guys how to fish, so that regardless of what chart you're looking at, you know how to go out and make a living for yourself. Listen guys, I hope this was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.